मैं ग्रहण करने वाली हूं, उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगी। जय हिंद।
Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has taken oath as the Member of Parliament, this after she won the Wayanad by-poll. So the session has begun. These are live visuals, of course, coming in from the Lok Sabha. Congress, in fact, is gearing up for raking multiple issues in the House, in both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. There are multiple issues, in fact, on which yesterday as well the Congress party gave adjournment motion notices.
Me, Ravindra Vasantrao Chavan.
All right, let's go across to Sabyasachi now. Sabyasachi, all the members of Parliament who won the by-polls taking oath now after Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is Vasantrao Chavan.
Well, that's right. See, all the member of parliament who won the by-polls are taking oath today. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra for the first time became the member of parliament after she won the by-polls in Wayanad by a landslide victory. Now, the Congress party is hoping that behind Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mrs. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, they would be taking on the central government and they would be keeping in front the pressing issues that is going across the country. From the Congress sources, what we got to know that under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, the Congress would be protesting inside and outside the parliament, and they have been alleging that the centre has been indifferent towards the people of Wayanad and the people who lost their life because of the landslide and the compensation that has been provided by the centre government. So on this particular issue, this would be one of the important issue that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra would be raising from her own constituency, that is Wayanad. On the other hand, the Congress party has given several other adjournment motions today as well, asking for a discussion on the Adani saga as well as asking a discussion on the Sambal issue. Meanwhile, the Congress party is also looking forward for the central government to hold a discussion on the constitution, which Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge both have requested the House to hold a discussion on the constitution for 2 days. So which day the discussion will take place is yet to be seen.
Right. So Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Ravindra Vasantrao Chavan have taken oath as MPs after winning the by-polls from Wayanad and Nanded. Let's listen into what Priyanka Gandhi said.
मैं प्रियंका गांधी वाड्रा जो लोकसभा की सदस्य निर्वाचित हुई हूं, सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करती हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगी। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगी तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाली हूं, उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगी। जय हिंद।
So Wayanad was a Congress stronghold. It witnessed a triangular contest between Priyanka Gandhi, BJP's Navya Haridas and CPI Satyan Mukherjee. Priyanka Gandhi secured the Wayanad Lok Sabha seat. This is what she said when she reached the parliament earlier.
मैम व्हाट्स द फीलिंग प्रियंका जी फाइन पार्लियामेंट में
इनके यहाँ पे चोट है हाथ में।
एनी कमेंट ऑन प्रियंका जी फर्स्ट डे?
प्रियंका जी क्या कहेंगे? क्या कहेंगे प्रियंका जी?
साइड हो जाओ, साइड हो जाओ, राजनीति करने को साइड हो जाओ। अरे आप साइड हो जाओ सर, साइड हो। मैम व्हाट्स द फीलिंग प्रियंका जी फाइन पार्लियामेंट में
इनके यहाँ पे
चोट से आग्रह करता हूं, आप जिस मुद्दों पे चर्चा करना चाहते हैं उन सब मुद्दों पर चर्चा करने का पर्याप्त अवसर दिया जाएगा। लेकिन आप सदन को नियोजित तरीके से गतिरोध करना चाहते हैं। देश की जनता ने बड़ी आकांक्षाओं अपेक्षाओं के साथ आपको सदन में भेजा है। आप उनके मुद्दे उठाएं, अपने क्षेत्र की समस्याओं को उठाएं, अभाव को उठाएं। मैं आपको पर्याप्त समय पर्याप्त दिया है और दूंगा, लेकिन जिन मुद्दों को लेकर इस देश का कोई संबंध नहीं है, उन पर चर्चा करने के लिए नियम प्रक्रियाओं को अपनाया जाता है। मेरा आपसे आग्रह है कि आप अपने अपने सीट पर जाकर बैठें। आपको पर्याप्त समय पर्याप्त अवसर देंगे, हर विषय पर देंगे, लेकिन ये गतिरोध का तरीका ठीक नहीं है। संविधान की 75 वर्ष के अंदर संविधान सभा में भी डिबेट हुई थी, असहमति सहमति भी हुई थी, लेकिन मर्यादित आचरण रखा था। आपका ये मर्यादित आचरण नहीं है। आप अपनी अपनी सीट पर दें, मैं आपको पर्याप्त समय पर्याप्त अवसर हर मुद्दे पे दूंगा। आप सदन चलाना चाहते हैं, चर्चा करना चाहते हैं, सदन की कार्रवाई आज 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
House has been adjourned. Lok Sabha adjourned till 12, and you heard the speaker urging continuously to the members of the opposition, the MPs, to maintain decorum in the House. He also pointed out that this is being done in a planned manner, that the MPs are not allowing the House to function normally. He also pointed out that this is not a decent conduct on part of the members of the parliament. But the ruckus continued, sloganeering continued, after which the speaker adjourned the Lok Sabha till 12. So Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has taken oath as the member of parliament after winning the Wayanad by-polls. And remember, that seat was vacated, in fact, by Rahul Gandhi. Earlier, when she reached the parliament, she expressed happiness. She's now a member of the Lok Sabha. On the other hand, the proceedings are still underway in the Rajya Sabha. Let's listen into what's happening there.
नियमों का पालन करके हम उनको सहमत करते रहे हैं, उनको मनाते रहे हैं, जैसा कि कल मैंने इशारा किया था कि जो सभापीठ का निर्देश है।
All right, let's go across. Sabyasachi continues to be with us. Sabyasachi, ruckus, sloganeering, the chair urged the members to maintain decorum. He also said that time will be given, enough time will be given for them to discuss the issues that they are raking, but allow the House to function normally. He also pointed out, and these are serious observations, the Speaker saying this is all being done in a planned manner, creating a deadlock.
Well, that's right. See, the Speaker once again urged the Member of Parliament to maintain the decorum of the House, and whatever issues that they are raising, there would be discussion in the House, but first they have to let the House function. Now, the Speaker also emphasized that this is happening in a planned manner, because days after days we are seeing that the Parliament is not able to function, because whenever the House begins, immediately the House gets adjourned, and time and again we have seen that several request has been made to the opposition side, whether it is from Prime Minister Narendra Modi or from Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju. They have requested that every single issue of the opposition would be addressed, but first and foremost they have to let the House function. See, today also several Member of Parliament from the Congress party, be it Randeep Surjewala or Saeed Nasir Hussain or Manikam Tagore, all of them have given adjournment motion asking that a discussion should be taking place inside the House on the Adani controversy as well as on the Sambal issue. Now, other Member of Parliament from the opposition party also have given adjournment motion asking for a discussion on Manipur and other pressing issues that is going across the country. Meanwhile, the Trinamool Congress at this particular time, if you see, they are part of the India Alliance, but they are not attending the meeting which is being called by Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge of the India Alliance floor leaders. Now, Trinamool Congress, on the other hand, have clearly told their leaders to emphasize on the state issues that and the region issues where the Member of Parliament come from. This is what the Speaker have been emphasizing, that the Member of Parliament who have been elected to the House have come with a lot of hope from the people of their particular region is looking forward that they are going to raise the issues that are concerning their area and their region. But time and again we are seeing that the opposition side is continuously protesting, raising slogans and creating disruption inside the House, which the Speaker also highlighted that this is being done in a planned way.
Absolutely. And after the ruckus, the House was adjourned, Lok Sabha adjourned till 12. The proceedings in the Rajya Sabha, however, continue. But this was anticipated that it will be a stormy session, Sabyasachi?
Well, absolutely. See, the entire winter session is going to be a stormy one, whether if you talk about the Waqf Amendment Bill or if you talk about the Member of Parliament giving adjournment motion regarding the Adani controversy, asking for a discussion on it, or the Sambal issue. These are some of the pressing issues which the opposition parties are going to continuously raise till the end of the winter session. Now, from the Congress party, specifically if you talk about the Congress party, they also want a discussion on the constitution. Now, see, as per the sources, from the government, we got to know that the government have given a green signal that they are ready to have a discussion on the constitution for 2 days, but which specific date is yet to be finalized. So clearly the opposition is all prepared to take on the government on the agendas that they feel that the government must come out and answer. If you talk about the Adani issue, the Congress and other opposition parties have been leveling allegation against the central government, stating that the central government is running away to have a discussion on the Adani issue, as several other foreign countries have taken steps on this matter, and in Parliament the central government is not ready to have a discussion on it, and the opposition would continue to raise this issue until and unless the central government gives a green signal.
All right, and as we speak, Sabyasachi, in fact, Rajya Sabha has also been adjourned, so both houses adjourned. Ruckus and sloganeering continues once again. We heard Om Birla urging the members to stay calm, to maintain decorum and allow the House to function. He also assured them that time will be given to discuss the issues that you want to raise on the floor of the House. But despite that, the sloganeering continued despite the assurance coming in from the chair. And then the chair had to adjourn the House, adjourn Lok Sabha till 12. That's exactly what has happened in Rajya Sabha as well. That's what we're given to understand. Now, the opposition, of course, has a strategy very clearly raising the Sambal issue, the Manipur issue and the Adani issue. And the chair also assuring that time will be given to discuss these issues. But the sloganeering and the ruckus in the House continues, not allowing the House to function, is the charge against the opposition. The Speaker also observed that this is all being done in a planned manner. The deadlock continues. Once again, the Speaker reminding the members who are opposing, chanting continuously that this is not a decent conduct. They should allow the House to function and let people's issues be raised and discussed on the floor of the House. Sabyasachi.
Well, that's right. See, time and again, the central government have been requesting both the chairperson of Rajya Sabha as well as the Speaker of Lok Sabha have been requesting the Member of Parliament to maintain the decorum of the House, as the region and the area they come from, the people of these region are looking forward that they would raise the issues concerning to their area inside the Parliament, and there should be a healthy discussion. See, what is most important to note is that the government from the very beginning hasn't shied away to have a discussion on what the opposition parties want. The government, in fact, have went forward and said that they are ready to have any discussion which the opposition parties want, but there should be a proper way. They should let the House function, as people of the country is looking forward that inside the Parliament they are going to discuss the pressing issues of the country. But on the other hand, the opposition Member of Parliament continues to raise slogans, continues to create disruption in the House, and that is the reason why both the houses, whether it is the Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha, hasn't been able to run. See, there are important bills which are to be tabled, whether if you talk about the Railway Amendment Bill or the Banking Bill,
right,
which are important bill as far as
right. Whether or not they will be allowed to be discussed is the big question, given the continued